What's up, y'all? It's General 315 back with another review video from Kick Who. Got another shoe for y'all. Today we got those Jordan 14 Clot or Terracottas. We got those on deck. This is just another shoe in the Terracotta line, or the Clot line rather, that they've been doing. I think they did some 13s. Those looked all right. They were okay. They weren't too bad. Not my groove, but y'all know me. I love the 14s. So when I saw these came out or were coming out, you already know I was gonna go to Kick Who and grab me a pair. I have to have these on deck. The 14 is my favorite shoe, but this is a UA. I don't know what the resale is of the shoe, but this is a UA. So just remember, this is an educational video. I'm just showing y'all the shoe, showing y'all what I got. And then we're just gonna take it from there. You know what I'm saying? See what we like, see what we don't like. A lot of people have mixed feelings about this shoe, but I love the shoe. I think it's super, super dope. If you guys don't know a little bit of the history behind the Terracotta Army, basically in China, there was like this mound or this hill, and these farmers basically found there was an entrance to the hill or whatever, and they went in there and they found a massive like grave site or burial chamber tributing to like one of the emperors of like one of the dynasties, like one of the earlier dynasties. I don't know which dynasty it was, but yeah, it was super, super dope. Tons of statues. It was like 10,000 statues or 20,000 statues, horses, all that stuff. It was super, super cool. And what I think is pretty dope is the shoes come with a card, and the statues do look like this. They're not playing basketball, but they're all standing in there. They look like this, and you know, if you look at the shoe, you can tell that they really tried to mirror what the statues look like that were in that burial site or burial chamber. So I think that that's pretty dope, and you know, that's one of the reasons why I love collaborations and sneakers and things like that, because they try to incorporate as much as they can. And apparently, you know, Edison Chen is you know, really trying to bring their culture to our culture and merge them together. So I think they did a really, really good job. This card is pretty dope. On the back, it's just got like the Jordan and the Clot symbol. Yeah, I thought that was really, really nice. That came in the box. So just breaking down the shoe, they are primarily like this brown clay type of color, and in these colors on this shoe are what the statues look like. Like, it's the same type of colors. So that clay has like some pink in it. It also has like these different colors of brown textures right here. Just getting to the shoe, like these tassels came on the shoe and they came on the back. This one fell off. I was gonna take it off anyway, because I don't think that I'm gonna be able to wear these on the shoe, but these tassels hang off the back like so. You guys let me know what you think about this. I think this will be really annoying for me, but it did come with a little tassel. I forgot what this is called, but it has like a Chinese coin, I think. And I think this is like money, their currency back then. So that's pretty dope. I thought that was pretty cool. So breaking down the shoe was primarily multiple brown textures, and it's all suede. All of this is suede, and it's very, very nice suede. Suede is really, really nice. On the toe box, you kind of have like a little bit of a dark, here, I'm gonna put this up a little bit. You kind of have a little bit of a darker color on the toe, and then you have a little bit of a lighter brown. I believe these rivets or whatever, these markings, are how the armor was on the statues, and like these are like the rivet marks or whatever to like how they made it. These are like the ropes that kind of held it together. So that's pretty dope. You got the Clot shield right here, or the Jordan shield, but there's nothing there. So I thought that was very unique. No Jordan symbol, because there's supposed to be one in there, but I did like that. That's pretty nice. You have this lighter cream color here going up the tongue and around the collar. And this is a low cut, or a mid cut, I guess, for the Jordan 14. So it's similar to the Laney 14s. The Laney 14s had the same type of cut. So this is the same cut that you got here. But going up here, yeah, you got your suede. That's really nice with these nice muted cream brown colored laces. You got some metal tips here, which are very, very nice. Kind of look like they're bronzed a little bit. You got your Jordan on this one with that pink, and then you also have Clot on the other with that pink as well. The shark teeth, and then going around this portion here, the shoe on the mid panel, or the midsole rather of the shoe, you have this nice, very, very nice textured paint, and it feels like clay. It really, really does. It feels like clay. It's got like this dried clay feeling to it. So I thought that that was pretty unique. And then you have this nice light cream brown going around the shoe. Outsole looks really, really nice. You still got that little hit there of that pink. And then you have your shank plate here. One thing about this UA, this shank plate is not metal. Usually it's metal, and I'm not sure why it's plastic. I feel like this is plastic. This is definitely plastic. But I mean, I like it. I just don't know if that's the direction that they're going or if that's on the retail or not. Somebody let me know down in the comments if you have the shoe. Let me know if this shank plate is metal or if it's plastic. I think there's another shoe that does have plastic on it, but I can't remember exactly what it was. On the back of the shoe, you have this Jordan here in black. I think that's nice. It breaks up the colors of the shoe. And where these two spots are here, the tail lights rather, I think these are like supposed to be the taillights of a car, of the Ferrari. These are black. So very, very, very nice. I like this shoe. No complaints from me about this shoe at all. Inside of this one, you have the clot symbol there. And I believe on the inside of this one, you have the Jumpman. Yep, there's the Jumpman there. So very, very, very nice shoe. I think as a collaboration, this shoe is very unique, is very dope. I would suggest getting it. I would definitely suggest getting it. There's nothing about it that I think is bad. You could really freak these. You could really style in these. The suede is really, really nice. It's very, very comfortable fit. Yeah, I would say go for it. You can go for it on StockX or GOAT, or you can get a UA. My discount code is right here below. If you decide to go with a UA, it's completely up to you. I'm not telling you to, okay? So if I had to rate the shoe, it's a Jordan 14. So you already know I would give it a high mark, but I'm gonna go with an 8.25 on these just because I don't see myself wearing it a lot. I see myself admiring it a lot just because of, you know, the significance of it and the collaboration and all that other stuff. So I do like it for that. Materials used, definitely a 9. The suede is really nice on these. Cannot get past how good the suede is. The suede is nice. The only thing that bothers me is the shank plate is not metal, it's plastic. But if it's like that on the retail, then that's fine. That's cool with me, okay? So that's all I got for this shoe. I got a little on foot for you guys. You guys let me know if you got any questions or anything like that. I'm always here. Hit me up on IG. And you guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.